The mill appeared at the dawn of human history and has acquired a new meaning in our days. After all, it is not just a way to get flour, it is a new philosophy of responsible consumption. From the manufacturer of mills, the miller, the process of turning grain into flour at your home, the ability to create authors' mixtures in your own bakery, a startup for the flour milling business. The Miller mills are designed to inspire by touching the process of baking bread, confectionery, or cooking. You are no longer a passive consumer, you are the demiurge of your own delicious ideas. After all, everything new is forgotten old. By restoring milling traditions both at home and in large enterprises, the miller brings back the original culture, respect for work, ecological production, freedom of creativity and generosity to share the best, what you made yourself. Mills from the Miller for business and home. Your mill, your choice.